We are happy to announce that Aribam Noutuneshwari Devi, a known name in the legal fraternity of Manipur, who had served as judge in different courts including District and Sessions Court and DPS, is now the legal advisor to Sktv. The retired judge was born in June 1 of 1961 at Sagolban, Moirang Lairak, Maisnam Laikai, Imphal West District. In 1985, she enrolled in the Bar Council of Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, and Arunachal Pradesh and started practicing under Imphal bench of the then Guwahati High Court and its subsidiaries courts. She became the first lady advocate of the Imphal bench, Guwahati High Court. Now, after having served as Judicial Officer grade for grade 3, 2, and 1, she was appointed as the judge of the Taubal District and Sessions Court in 2021. In addition, she also served as Ombudsperson of University Grants Commission, Redressal of Grievances of Students Regulation 2023 of Manipur University, and also held as the post of Chairman of District Legal Service Authority for Imphal East, Imphal West, Tamenglong, Senapati, and Taubal. She was the first judge in the legal history of Manipur to sentence a convict to death in 2018.